Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy English. Today we have another easy English story for A1 learners. Listen carefully, learn new words and enjoy the story. My new puppy. My name is Lisa. I am 9 years old. I love animals very much. Every time I see a dog, I smile. I always ask my parents, can we have a dog one day? My parents smile and say, maybe in the future. One Saturday morning, my father says, Lisa, get ready. We are going to a special place. Where are we going? I ask. It is a surprise, he says. After a short drive, we arrive at an animal shelter. There are many dogs and cats waiting for new homes. A kind woman welcomes us. Good morning. Are you looking for a pet? She asks. Yes, my mother answers. The woman shows us many friendly dogs. Some are big and some are small. Some are sleeping and some are playing with toys. Then I see a little brown puppy with big black eyes and soft ears. He walks slowly to me and gently licks my hand. Oh, he is so cute, I say. The puppy wags his tail happily. I think he likes you, the woman says with a smile. My parents look at each other. What do you think? My father asks. I love him, I answer. A few minutes later, the woman tells us that the puppy needs a loving family. We would like to take him home, my mother says. I'm so happy that I almost jump with joy. On the way home, we think of a name. What about Max? My father asks. Yes, Max is the perfect name, I say. At home, Max explores every room. He smells the sofa, runs into the kitchen and plays with his new red ball. I give him fresh water and food. After lunch, we go for our first walk in the park. Many people stop and smile. What a beautiful puppy, they say. Max is friendly to everyone. He likes children and other dogs. In the evening, Max becomes tired. He lies next to my chair while I read a storybook. Before I go to bed, I gently pet his head. Good night, Max, I whisper. He closes his eyes and falls asleep. From that day on, Max becomes my best friend. We play together, walk together, and learn together every day. I also learned that having a pet is a big responsibility. A pet needs food, water, love, exercise, and care every day. I am happy because Max is now part of our family forever. Lesson. A pet is not just an animal. A pet is a friend and a family member. Love your pets, care for them, and they will love you forever. Thank you for listening. See you in the next Easy English story on Learn Easy English.